Hello, folks. This is Loose Shirt with you, and I've got a West 917 high pin count lock here. Just wanted to explain a little bit about it, and then I'll show you the pick. So the 917, it is a 20 pin count lock. It has 7 stacks on the left side, 7 on the top, and 6 on the right. And on the right, it also has place. Oh man! Tell you what, I'm not going to do that anymore. Oh, come on! I'll just put it back. Has a place for a ball bearing for plug centering. So looks like this. Got a sleeve on the left top and the right. And let's just talk about the lock a little bit more here. So see if I can get right on top of there. I don't see any milling or feel any milling on the top at all. But on the sides, I do. I don't feel it, but I see over milling. I hope you can see that. There's over milling here. So that's the left side. And let's see if the right side. Yep, the right side has it too. You can see the over milling there. And as far as the pins, the key pins are these torpedo type key pins that can possibly, you can overset them if you're not careful. And the drivers are these little gens, like a mushroom gen. So they catch it. Oops. They catch pretty good, or can hang you up. I guess like on the left and the right side, they can sit in that that over milling. If I can. Boy, this is taking forever. Can sit in that over milling and kind of fool you. What else can I tell you? I use the combination of picks to pick it. I actually just used a couple of multi-pick flags. Let's see, that one. The number 3 and the number 7 is what I chose. And I used, like on the left side, I used this flag and turned it counterclockwise just so that you can slip in along the side of the top stack and hopefully not disturb it. So you kind of got to do a little dance there. Excuse me. And for the top, I used a Moki Kaba pick. And I'll show you, you'll see actually, obviously. For tensioning, for just doing the top, I actually used a Lock Tools tension tool and just kind of grabbed a hole like that. But for the sides, I needed a little bit of a platform. Oops. To pick on, so I put 3 covert instruments, pry bars together, and they fit. It's pretty damn good. It's the best thing I could find. And that way I could go in, you know, along the sides here, and had a little platform to pick with. Had to. I wish I could tell you that I just went through this and blindly did it, but I didn't. I know this lock very well now. I know exactly which ones are high lifts and low lifts and no lifts. So I just had to work with it that way and get the open. The pick went fine. I don't know, 7 or 8 minutes to pick it, but the gut was comical and abysmal. I kind of screwed that up, but I got through it. But you'll see. So anyway, I'll be back in just a minute over here, and we'll show you the pick, and well, enjoy. See you later. Bye. Hello, Loose Shirt here. Got a West 917. Okay. Try to go in and move some pins around. That was 4 on the right side. Left side. 1 isn't binding, neither is 2 or 3. 5. Nope. 6, 7. None of those are binding, so I'll leave that alone for now. A little bit of movement on 2. Go back to the back, number 7. There it is. Leave that there. There's 6. Okay, and 4. Let's go check those again back there. Okay, I think I'm happy with that right now. Leave that alone. Go back to the sides. So, the right side. 1's okay. 2's okay. 3's okay. 4 is binding. Good click. 6 and 7 are okay. Let's try the left side. 1's not binding, neither is 2, 3, neither, 5. Well, it went over, but didn't get any clicks. May not have, might not have done that. Should have done that. Boy, that's a weird way of saying it. Back to, let's see, 1, 2, 3. 3's binding. Or I'm hitting the top stack. I'm not sure which. Let's try it. Yeah, I was hitting something up top. One and two are okay. 3's okay. 4's okay. Okay, that's all. Go back to the top. Drop 6 again. 7. That was 4. Okay. One's okay, 2's okay, 3's okay, 4's binding again. I dropped it. Got to click. 5 and 6. 6 I touched and got a little more movement. On the left side. Okay. Number 5. That's crazy. 7. There's 5. Good rotation. So I'm gonna move this up a little bit. Try this again. I'm on 1 on the left. That was good. Finally got good click out of that. 3 on the left. There it is. Okay. Whoa, shit. Well, we'll gut it anyway. Just have to deal with that. All right. That's the first time I've done that. That was a major screw up. We'll have some work later putting this all back together. So kids, don't turn an HPC too far. Alright, so the right side, let me, if I can get myself out of troubles here. I can actually see the driver. Uh-oh. I really don't like them. The HPC springs. Damn, I hate them. I've got a picture of this. I'll have to go back later and figure out which chamber to go where. Unfortunately, they're all dropped down in the keyway. I wonder if I take the back off, if I can get to them. Damn. All right. Oh, I bet you that one's for there's a ball bearing for key centering. Looks like I got two springs wrapped up in one. Have to get that mess later. All right. at this point, I think I can, yeah, there we go. Anything else going to drop out? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's one more driver from that side that I don't see. Must be hung up in there. And I definitely see the ball bearing. Oh, fuck. Oh, this is just wonderful. What a mess. There's the 6th one. Have to go back and figure all this out. It's not that bad. It's just I wish I had done a better job and not turned. There it is. I'm missing 2 springs. One of them is there. One of them is there. So that's the 2 that are intertwined. All right, so the rest of it should go a little smoother. Let's do the top. Damn. So this is kind of weird. I think they did this to take up some extra space or something. But there's like a mushroom driver just to take up some space. Then there's a regular driver and a spring underneath it, or a spring on top of it. And then a driver. So that was the 7th one. Sixth one. Here's the spring. There's the cap for the spring. And the driver and the key pin. Next. So tedious. I put it over in the wrong stack. No, I didn't. Yes, I did. What a mess. and get the driver out of that sixth one, or second one, sorry. Oh. Okay. Whoa. Oh. Okay, on the left side, nothing there that I feel. But well, if there's supposed to be milling there, I sure don't feel it. See a little bit of, oh, maybe down a little bit further. Gotta ask somebody on LPU. I thought there was milling in this. Counter milling. Anyway, that's the 917 West, or West 917. It was a fun learning experience. I don't really enjoy these that much, but because they're so tedious. But glad to have done it. Thanks for bearing with me. You guys have a great day. See ya.